New Google Edge update is insane. You're wasting hours waiting for AI to load. You're burning through data every time you use ChatGPT. You're stuck when your Wi Fi drops, and you have no idea Google just fixed all of that. While everyone's still paying for cloud AI, Google quietly dropped something that changes everything. Hey everyone, I'm Hada, and today I'm breaking down Google's AI Edge update that literally puts full AI models on your phone. No internet required, no cloud needed, just pure AI running right on your device. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works and why this matters way more than you think. So here's what happened. Google released something called Google AI Edge. And most people missed it because they didn't make a big deal about it. But this is huge. It's a complete platform that lets developers run full AI models directly on your phone, your tablet, even your web browser. Right now, when you use ChatGPT or most AI tools, your question goes to a massive server somewhere. That takes time, uses data, and when you lose internet, you lose access. Google AI Edge throws all of that out. The AI model lives on your device. Everything happens locally. Now you might be thinking, okay, but my phone can't handle that kind of processing power. Here's where it gets interesting. Google built something called LiteRT. It used to be called TensorFlow Lite. This is the engine that makes it all work. It takes those massive AI models and compresses them down so they actually run on mobile devices. We're talking about making models 2.5 to 4 times smaller through something called quantization. And the crazy part is they still work incredibly well. The main way you can actually try this right now is through the Google AI Edge Gallery app. This thing already has over 500,000 downloads. It's on the Google Play Store. And it's basically a playground where you can test different AI models right on your device. I'm going to walk you through what you can actually do with it because this is where it gets really practical. First thing you'll see is AI chat. This is your standard chatbot experience. But here's the difference. Once you download the model, you can have full conversations anywhere. You're on a plane, you're in a basement, doesn't matter. And it shows you real-time performance metrics. You can see the token speed. You can compare different models side by side. Then there's Ask Image. You upload a photo and ask questions about it. The AI can describe what's in the image. It can solve problems from pictures. It can identify objects, all on device. Your photos never leave your phone. Here's something really cool. They added Audio Scribe. You can record audio or upload an audio clip and the AI transcribes it into text, or it can translate it into another language. All offline. Perfect for recording meetings or getting translations when you're traveling. There's also Prompt Lab where you can test single-turn tasks, summarizing text, rewriting content, generating code. You just type in what you want and see how different models handle it. This is super useful if you're learning how to prompt AI or you want to figure out which model works best for your specific use case. Now, here's where it gets fun. They built this little game called Tiny Garden. It's a fully offline game that uses natural language. You tell the AI what you want to plant, water, or harvest. It actually shows you how powerful natural language control can be, even in something as simple as a game. When I first started exploring on device AI, I was completely overwhelmed. There's so much to learn. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom. With over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Okay, back to Google AI Edge. Let's talk about the models you can actually use. The app gives you access to 18 plus different AI models. Most of them are from Google. Things like Gemma 3.1b, Gemma 3.4b, Gemma 3.12b, Gemma 3.27b. There's also models from Microsoft and some smaller developers. Each model has different strengths. Some are faster, some are more accurate, some are better at specific tasks, and you can switch between them instantly to compare. The star of the show right now is Gemma 3N. This is Google's first multimodal on-device model. Multimodal means it can handle text, images, video, and audio all in one model. Think about what that enables. You could show it a video, ask it a question about the video, and get an answer, all without internet. This model is still in early preview, but it's already incredibly powerful. Here's a specific example of performance. Gemma 31B, that's the smaller model, can process up to 2,585 tokens per second on a mobile GPU. That means it can read through an entire page of text in under a second. That's faster than most people read, and it's happening on a phone. Now let's talk about what makes this technically possible. Google built an entire stack of tools for developers. There's MediaPipe, which provides low-code APIs for common tasks. There's LighterT, which is the runtime that actually executes the models. There's Model Explorer, which lets you visualize and debug models. And there's something brand new called Google AI Edge Portal. This portal is a game changer for developers. It lets you test your AI model across over 100 different physical devices. You upload your model, you select which devices you want to test on, and it gives you detailed performance data for each one. How fast it runs on a Samsung Galaxy S24, how much memory it uses on a Pixel 9. This solves a massive problem because manually testing across hundreds of devices is basically impossible for most developers. The portal is in private preview right now. It's free during this preview period. And it supports testing on CPU and GPU with NPU support coming soon. What this means is developers can optimize their AI models to actually work well on real devices that real people use, not just the latest flagship phones. Here's something most people don't realize. Google AI Edge supports models from any framework. You can take a model built in PyTorch. You can take one built in TensorFlow. You can take one built in JAX or Keras. And you can convert it to run on edge devices. This is huge because it means developers aren't locked into one ecosystem. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences, what's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The bottom line is this: Google AI Edge is here now. You can download the app today and run full AI models on your phone. It's only going to get better as they add more models and features. This seems technical on the surface, but actually changes how we use AI on a fundamental level. For people who care about privacy, need offline access, want faster responses, or are building the next generation of apps, this is the foundation. I'll keep you updated as more features roll out. Go download the Google AI Edge Gallery app and try it yourself. Link to everything is in the description. And if you learned something new today, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.